Years of experiences, lessons and memories summed up in one word. Alma mater of BVM Chidali. You are worthy of glory, of praise, and to enlist its virtues, their voices they raise. To BVM, they, knowledge of truth most sublime, truths which never can change with the passing of time on the road to success. They think of the days they have spent in this school amid such happy surroundings. Proud they stand with voices raised, knowledge, love, tradition praised. Days spent here are now their gain. Cherished place BVM will remain.
Hello everyone, I'm Vidya. I'm working as a scientist engineer with ISRO. Prior to this, I was in BARC's training school as a trainee scientific officer. I had All India rank 47 in Indian Engineering Services 2016. I did my schooling from this beautiful institute from 2005 to 2010. This school has played a very important role in shaping me to what I am today. When our parents' love and care and family support shaped our dreams as well as goals and strengthened them, the school life and teachers have nurtured them and provided a lot of encouragement to that. A real thank you to the great institute as well as to the wonderful teachers and to all my dear beloved junior friends. Understand that this phase of your life is the foundation for the future. Try to give your best. Work hard and enjoy.
Hi, I'm Shruti Lakshmi. I'm an architect specializing in landscape architecture and a proud alumna of this institution. School life, like most of us here, has been the best part of my life too. The teachers, the encouragement and support that they'd given me has helped me to grow as a person in terms of academics and culturals as well. And the values that the institution, I still hold it so strong wherever I go. And when I meet a Bhavanite, I feel a sudden connect. I think it's because of the way we are nurtured in this institution. And it is so nice. And thanks to all my teachers and to all my juniors, all the best. I'm sure you'll all make it big out there. And thank you. Thank you so much for your time. Have a lovely evening.
Hello everyone. My name is Govind Uni. I was a part of this institution from my 7th standard and I passed out in the year 2014. Now I currently work as a third officer in British Petroleum. Now we all know that school days are exciting, but what made my school days special was that along with the heaps of knowledge that I received from my teachers, it was also the time where I had the most memorable times of my life. The time spent here helped me to realize what I wanted to do with my life and how to live it. The guide and motivation given to me by my teachers and principals have also helped me not only professionally but also to become a good human being. Now at this time I would like to thank each and every one of them for all the support that they have given me. I would also like to take this opportunity to tell that I am very proud to say that I am an alumni of Bhavans Vidya Mandir Chidli. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Meenakshi Krishnan. I currently work in Ernst & Young, Bangalore, and I'm a proud alumni of Bhavans Vidya Mandir Chidli. I started my journey here in 9th standard and continued till 12th. In 11th and 12th, I chose for commerce, which was perhaps the best decision of my life. The school has provided me with a lot of opportunities, which I really am grateful for. And I really thank my teachers, principal, and all other staff who have helped me become what I am today. And all the best for your future and your journey in Ernst.
Hi everyone, this is Poonam from 2014 pass out batch of computer science stream. of BVM Chitali. After my schooling, I pursued my BTech course in Nehru College, and by God's grace, I bagged first rank in Calicut University for BTech examinations in computer science. And currently, I am working as Associate System Engineer at Tata Consultancy Services in Hyderabad. And to talk about my school, my Bhavans, I must say that Bhavans has helped me to realize my dreams and achieve my goals. Bhavans really has molded my personality and clarified my vision of future. And whenever I think of my school life, I cannot forget it. I miss each and every moment of my school life. And it really feels great to be taught by such amazing teachers who are the best. They always encouraged me, motivated me to face risk, to take up new challenges. I am really thankful from the bottom of my heart to all my lovely teachers. All the best to all of you out there. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hi, I'm Sharanya. I completed my schooling from Bhavans in the academic year of 2013-14. Talking about my journey in Bhavans, there are many incredible things about this school that has made my school days the best part of my life. School is a temple of learning, and my school was nothing less than that. The care and support that I have got from my teachers was so immense, and it is their motivation and blessings that has led me forward to achieve my goals in life. I would like to thank my school for whatever it has done for me. I feel so proud to tell that I was a student of Bhavans. Thank you.
ഹായ്, എൻ്റെ പേര് സൗമ്യ. ഞാൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് മുതൽ 12th വരെ പഠിച്ചത് ഭവൻസ് വിദ്യാമന്ദിർ ചെതലയിലാണ്. ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ ബാംഗ്ലൂർ വിപ്രോയിൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നു. എൻ്റെ ലൈഫിൽ ഒരു വലിയൊരു ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് ഉണ്ട് എൻ്റെ സ്കൂളിന്. ഞാനിന്ന് എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ ആയി തീർന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിലൊരു പാർട്ട് എൻ്റെ സ്കൂളിലാണ്. എൻ്റെ പാരൻസ് എനിക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുള്ള വലിയ നന്മകളിലൊന്നാണ് എന്നെ ആ സ്കൂളിൽ ചേർത്തത്. ഒരു കുട്ടിക്ക് സ്കൂളിൽ കിട്ടേണ്ട, സ്കൂൾ കൊണ്ട് കിട്ടേണ്ട ഏറ്റവും വലിയ കാര്യം അവരുടെ കഴിവുകൾ പുറത്തെടുക്കുന്നതാണ്, പഠിത്തം അല്ലാതെ. അതവിടെ ഒരുപാട് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഞങ്ങൾ 10th പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ അബ്രാം സാറ് സ്കൂളിൽ നിന്ന് ട്രാൻസ്ഫറായി പോയി. ജോൺ സാറ് വന്നു. അപ്പോഴാണ് വൈസ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പളായിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ സുഭദ്ര മാമിനെ കിട്ടിയത്. ഞങ്ങൾ +1 പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ. പിന്നെ ജോൺ സാറ് പോയതോടെ സുഭദ്ര മാമായിരുന്നു പ്രിൻസിപ്പൾ. +1 +2 ഇത്രയും ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴും ആലോചിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം തോന്നുന്നത് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടിയ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സും ഞങ്ങളുടെ ആ സമയത്തുള്ള പ്രിൻസിപ്പളും സുഭദ്ര മാം. +1 +2 കിട്ടേണ്ട ഒരു പ്രിൻസിപ്പൾ തന്നെയാണ് സുഭദ്ര മാം. മാം തരുന്ന മെൻ്റൽ സപ്പോർട്ട് വളരെ വലുതാണ്. ഒരുപാട് നന്ദിയുണ്ട്. എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ കടപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുന്നു ഭവൻസിനോട്. താങ്ക്സ്.
Hi, I'm Rahul, currently doing my final year MBBS at Government Medical College, Kozhikode. I completed my entire schooling at Bhavans Vidyamandir Chitali and completed my +2 during the year 2013-14. Now when I look back, all I can see are the good memories I had, the love and care given by my teachers, and how encouraging and motivational they were. They gave equal importance to academics, cultural and other co-curricular activities that helped me a lot in improving my interpersonal skills and confidence. So all I have to say is good luck to all the students of my school, and I hope it continue to provide a bright future for all of them. Thank you.
The whole ecosystem in which Bhavans is built upon has helped me to focus on my diverse fields of interest. When it comes to Principal Subhadra ma'am, I can tell you, like, she has played a key role in what I am today. And she's the one person I've seen who puts her children first in spite of anything what happens. So when it comes to teachers, I just don't have words to describe the love and care that they give you. The only advice I have to give you is be transparent with your teachers and principal. I can assure you, like, they'll take care of the rest. And enjoy each moment you spend there, because that's the only thing which will be left.
Hello everyone, my name is Sri Priya and I am an alumni of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. I work as a cybersecurity analyst. Childhood is the best part of most of our lives. Life is so simple then, and we don't have a lot of responsibilities at this time. At the same time, our minds are so fresh, and it's like a sponge where we are capable of absorbing a lot of information, learn a lot of new skills, and gain knowledge. The friends you make and the values you get from your teachers definitely play an important role in who you become in the future and on your character. I'm really thankful to all my teachers and my friends at Bhavans Vidya Mandir. A small reminder to you guys, I know you might be in a lot of academic pressure to learn a lot of new things, but please don't be so stressed about this. Take it light, keep your energies high, your minds fresh and your hearts open. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
ഹായ്, എൻ്റെ പേര് ആകാംഷ്. ഞാൻ 4th മുതൽ 12th വരെ ഭവൻസിലായിരുന്നു പഠിച്ചത്. 2016 ബാച്ചായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ മ്യൂസിക് പെർഫോമൻസ് ആൻഡ് ഷോസ് ആൻഡ് ഇവൻറ്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പം എനിക്ക് സ്കൂൾസ് പഠിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് തന്നെ ഇങ്ങനെ എൻ്റെ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് ഞാൻ എന്തിനു പോവുകയാണെങ്കിലും ടീച്ചേഴ്സൊക്കെ ഒരുപാട് സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ അതിലുപരി ഏറ്റവും ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള നമ്മുടെ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ, നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ന് രാജ്യം ഏറ്റവും ലാക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നൊരു കാര്യം കൂടെയാണ് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ. അപ്പോൾ അതിനൊരു സോളിഡ് ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയതിൻ്റെ മെയിൻ കാരണം ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ് സ്കൂളാണ്, ടീച്ചേഴ്സാണ്. അതിനൊക്കെ ഒരുപാട് നന്ദിയുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ എനിക്കിത് കാണുന്ന സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനോടൊന്നേ പറയാനുള്ളൂ, നിങ്ങൾ നല്ലപോലെ അടിച്ചു പൊളിക്കണം. കാരണം കുറേ വർഷങ്ങൾ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഓർത്ത് വെക്കാൻ ഈ കുറേ മെമ്മറീസൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. അപ്പം
Hi everyone, myself Suraj K. I've been working in Indian Air Force for past 3 years. I'm a proud Bhavanite and joined Bhavans when I was in class 7th standard and I was there till class 12th. Talking about Bhavans, those were the best days of my life, especially class 11th and class 12th. I got the best guidance that one could ever get. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank each of the teachers from the bottom of my heart for making me what I am today. Because without their guidance and support, I could not have been what I am today. So once again, thanks to all those teachers who made me what I am. And I wish all the success for all my juniors out there. You got a bright career ahead. So all the best. Work hard. Success is yours. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I'm Grishma, batch of 2015, Bhavans Vidya Mandir, Chidili. I'm presently pursuing my Bachelor of Technology at Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar. My branch of study is Material Science and Engineering. To what I am today and what I look forward to of myself in the future, Bhavans as an institution and each of the faculty and my peers have a huge role to play. I have been in Bhavans from 2002, which means I've seen the institute grow and prosper. Also, most of my character development and the decision making period or what you dream about the future, everything has happened in Bhavans. Like each one of them have been very supportive of my dreams and through the advancement in standards, class to class, I've always got the same amount of support from each of them. The kind of individual attention they gave the students, so it kind of helps us than to merely see as a student of 11A or 11B, but we start seeing ourselves as an individual, and that is very important to have bigger dreams, and also only that will take you to achieving more in future. Each and every student out there, so apart from all the entertainment and enjoyment, start having your own dreams, dream bigger, and let you all achieve bigger. Once again, thank you so much for giving me such an opportunity to come in front of all of you as such, and have a happy annual day.
Hi, ഞാൻ സുബ്രാം. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ 8ാം ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ 12ാം ക്ലാസ് വരെയാണ് ഭവൻസിൽ പഠിച്ചത്. അവിടെ എനിക്ക് കുറേ മറക്കാനാവാത്ത അനുഭവങ്ങളുണ്ട്. കുറേ നല്ല ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനെ കിട്ടി, കുറേ നല്ല ടീച്ചർമാരെ കിട്ടി. ഞാനെന്ന കലാകാരന് ഒരു പരിധിവരെ നമ്മുടെ സ്റ്റേജ് ഫിയർ പോകാനും നമ്മുടെ കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ലെവൽ ബൂസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും എൻ്റെ സ്കൂൾ നല്ലോണം എന്നെ സഹായിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവിടുത്തെ ആനുവൽ ഡേയ്സ്, ആർട്ട് ഡേയ്സ്, അങ്ങനത്തെ ഓരോ പരിപാടികൾക്ക് പങ്കെടുത്ത അത്യാവശ്യം വളരെ സപ്പോർട്ടീവായിരുന്നു ടീച്ചർമാരും ഫ്രണ്ട്സും എല്ലാവരും. സോ അതൊക്കെ ഞാൻ മിസ് ചെയ്യും, ഇപ്പോഴും മിസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് ഭവൻസിനെ. താങ്ക് യു.